Alright, here's my quick take on doing this roof from scratch. I'm going to assume that you've got all your ceiling height set, so when you draw a roof plane, the baseline and the fascia and everything will be in the correct spot. I imported a layer set and made a couple of changes where everything is locked. There's nothing here I can select. And that just makes it easier when you're drawing. You're not selecting things underneath the roof planes. I added this CAD line right here just at the center of this wall. And I did one over here too, just kind of to check things. I think everything is 10 pitch except for these two front gables, and I think they're 14. So I'm going to draw the 10 stuff first, and then we'll switch and do the 14s. You can select this dimension right here and do a -4, and that'll move that out. And just copy and reflect about right there. Come over here and do these. -4. Copy and reflect about. Now we'll see if we can pick up the center there. Join these two. Okay, I'm going to go up here to the bill roof and make this 14. Copy and reflect about. I'll scoot this wall. Yeah, I can't select it. I was just going to move it out of the way. I don't know what this is. I'm going to guess that I think it's either 3 or 4. And this one over here is Make that the same. All right, let's take a quick 3D. Let's see, I'm going to go over here to technical illustration and turn off the patterns. This is the way I like to work on roofs. So that's kind of the basics. It doesn't have your, your big roof planes in the center. I'm pretty clueless about this back area. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I'll draw a roof plane in over here someplace. And I think this one here, I think we're back to 14. And I'll make this 4, don't know what it is. Let's see. It'd be helpful to know the pitch and some other dimensions for these two. I know what I've got here is not correct. I'm just going to guess at this and go ahead and draw a roof plane in there. Let me go back to 10 and see how that works. Draw a roof plane right along that line and bring it up. That's just a guess. I'm aligning it with this ridge right here, just kind of an eyeball guess, and I'm going to copy and reflect about the ridge here. Let's see what this will do. Yeah, that's wrong. That's too high. It's probably a lower pitch. So what I'll do is I'll get the ridge height here. And I'll come over here, lock the fascia height, change the ridge, 8 1/4. It's probably 8. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Looks like it's even less. We'll lock the fascia height. Let's make it 6 and see what that does. That looks better. Copy and reflect about the ridge there. Don't know where that came from. I think the fascia heights here are wrong. Anyway, this just gives you an idea of how you might approach a roof like this. Having all the dimensions and the pitches and all that sort of thing would make this a whole lot easier. No guessing, just sort of filling in the blanks.